Today is Thursday, August 26th. This is the 1 year only 1969 Cadillac DeVille Convertible RimBlow steering wheel for my friend Richard in Texas. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. This is a level 10 restoration whereby the wheel has been stripped down to the spoke core, that is the steel core, recast under time, temperature, and pressure for 30 days, then cured, hand-worked, and put on a CNC milling machine and circular interpolated to receive the wood grain inlay, which is cut in the receiving channel on a CNC milling machine. Okay, and then fused into the body of the steering wheel. It includes the fabricated RimBlow switch, which facilitates the horn actuation by squeezing the ring. This is a 1969 1-year-only specialty design, and I fabricate that switch myself. And of course it includes the revitalized horn pad with the silver argent inlay. I'll go ahead and turn that over. Absolutely beautiful. The back cover, the retaining components, and the telescopic bowl head cover for the steering column, along with the conical tapered spring that facilitates the electrical continuity to the horn. So this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The next video will be the fully assembled embodiment of these individual components into a ready to deliver steering wheel, and I'll be doing a functional validation test of the RimBlow horn actuation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage items from 1967 to 1970, original vintage Cadillac items, fully restored and as is. I have over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including the 1-year-only 1969 RimBlow steering wheel with the wood grain inlay, and all the other wood grain inlay steering wheels from 1970 through 1978 thereafter, as well as the earlier two-tone wheels from 59 through 66 and the 67 and 68 grip line steering wheels. Okay, today is Thursday, August 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.